Step 1. Left-click Start button. Type CMD. Right-click Command prompt is in this video. Left-click Run as administrator. Left-click Yes. Step 2. Type IP config all. Press Enter. To confirm DNS servers is 192.168.1.1. Step 3. Right-click network icon is in this video. Left-click Open Network Internet Settings. Step 4. Left-click Ethernet. Left-click Network and Sharing Center. Left-click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click Ethernet. Left-click Properties. Step 5. Left-click Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Left-click Properties. Step 6. Left-click Use the following DNS server addresses. Type 8 and 8.8.4.4. Press OK. Press Close. Step 7. Left-click Start button. Type CMD. Right-click Command prompt is in this video. Left-click Run as administrator. Left-click Yes. Step 8. Type IP config all. Press Enter. To confirm DNS servers is 8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Type lookup www.yahoo.com. Press Enter. To confirm through DNS server 8.8.8 and 8.8.8 server name is Google Public DNS google.com. Click subscribe to Users Productions YouTube channel.